my god, the earth has circulated around the sun. Now it's time to make a change to my shitty eating habits and lack of exercise. Damn you, earth. You take so long to circle around the sun, don't you? Because I've been patiently waiting over here. Okay, where do I begin? So people that decide to make the change early January is kind of like the bigger version of people that say, oh, I'll start on Monday. If this sounds like you, then good on ya. Respect now that you're on your journey towards health and fitness. But remember, for you to make changes in your physique and your health, it requires more time than a couple of weeks. So my advice is to not rely on all the motivation that you've built up towards the end of 2017 to keep you going. As you probably know, that will fade out pretty quickly. Which is why every year people are trying to achieve the same goals. Now, when you first step into the gym, don't set the bar too high and try and train like 6 times per week. Start off with something a bit more achievable and something that you can do for a longer period of time. Let's say 3 days a week. The next thing would be to make sure that you're doing the right thing in the gym. This prevents you from not seeing changes and then getting unmotivated and then quitting altogether. Ask for some advice from a funny, handsome, cool personal trainer like myself. When it comes to your food, don't go too crazy and like cut out carbs or jump on paleo or start juicing or some shit. These are diets that people jump in and out of all the time. Yo-yo effects suck. Every week, just monitor your food diary. Make minor, more sustainable changes to your food that will give you gradual progress over time. Sounds boring, yeah? But there's nothing more fun than making actual changes in your body and looking good all year round. Happy New Year, folks.